This video is sponsored by the Rogue Energy. You can buy the top tier quality drinks while you game to keep you on your top game. My personal favourite is the Blue Raspberry because it always keeps me concentrated when I'm playing games such as Grand Theft Auto, or Fortnite, Human Fall Flat, any of that. All you have to do is use code CaptainRPG when you reach checkout and you will receive a 10% discount. Let me know what your favourite flavour was. Links are always in the description.
Oh, whoa, hold on guys, you cannot do this. Whoa. We need to save lives here, we're not killing. Hey, no, we don't kill him, look. We don't kill him, that's not how we live in this earth, okay? Okay, never mind. You need to go though, so I'm a policeman, look at me, no, sir, you're under arrest, please come with me. Oh, my head. Sir, please do not resist, we have to throw you off the edge. Hey, it's you again. Aye, hands up, hands behind your back. Alright, sir, you are under arrest, we have to put you in handcuffs now. So please do not resist. We're going to have to throw you off because that's your death penalty. Sir, no fire, please, no fire. So this is the police. We have to be safe here. Sir, do not play with fire. You know how they. Sir, your hand is currently getting lit up. Sir, let go. Sir, I demand you to let go right now. Sir, I own this place. You can't be doing that. Oh, what happened? Excuse me? You know, take it. Sir, are you trying to break in with the anvil? Sir, no breaking in, okay? You can't break in. You can't do that in this country. We have to lift you up and throw you off the edge, sir. I'm sorry, but that's what. Sir, stop resisting. You have a death penalty and you have to serve by it. Sir, you don't have any hands. Oh, sir. So can you please stop resisting? You've got my neck cracked. Sir, I demand this. Sir, do not do that. That is government property. That you can't do that here. Sorry, sir. Sir, that is not safe. Please do not proceed to pull that lever. Sir, we cannot be doing this in this country. Sir, you cannot do this. Sir, no! So I know this isn't safe and I shouldn't be doing this, but hello? Oh, but I was having fun. My ears, oh my god, calm down. Holy god. Why am I invisible? What? No. Oh, what's going on here? No, I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing right now. Sir, I need, sir, you cannot be over here just lying down. This is not a hotel. You have to. Ah, sir, hang on, sir, this is my life in. Sir, you're under arrest for killing an officer. Come here, sir, come here. You think that's allowed, sir? You're supposed to hold on, you didn't hold on. Sir, no resisting, sir! Okay, where am I right now? I am so confused. Hello, this is the police talk. Sir, hello? Alright, so apparently we're on our own, because I am just a lonely police officer just sitting here. Oh, we did it. Alright, we need to pull this thing out and open the door. No, how do I open this? Oh, what? We're in jail. Help! Oh my god, there's a catapult. I have no idea. Okay, stick, sir, can you please come with me? You're a stick, so I can't really arrest you. Wait, oh, it's doing something. That was not expected. And then what if we do it for the other side as well? Alright, what we have to do, officer, is just... Oh, it's not doing anything. Alright, just row like a boat. Row like you know how to do. And then all we have to do... It worked! Oh, I'm so smart. Alright, we need to be a catapult now. Which I'm not excited to do because it's not safe, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, how does this thing work? Since there's no one to catapult me, I'm going to be sitting here literally like this. I definitely did not do that right. Okay, get to the other side. Get in the spoon. Oh, I did it. Now we gotta, what am I doing? Apparently I'm moving it. Oh, we have to do the rock. Makes sense. Here's the thing, I feel like you gotta pull this. Yeah, look. Alright, cool. It's right there. So what we can do, we can get this. No, that's too heavy. We can get this and plop it on there. But I wanna join as well, so we need to put our hand there. And then oh! The rock missed. Fight! Ah, no! Okay, good. We were here again, but we gotta crank that thing up like forever. So just give me like a couple days. Wait, since it's down here, I wanna launch myself. Get out of here. Yeah. All right, now we can. Ah! Ah! But I don't want to be here. Oh, phew. Look, I feel like it is there. It's not meant to be cranked up all the way. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do it anyway. Rock, sir, you know what? The Rock is misbehaved. We can't have him here anymore. This is how we deal with capital punishments or state punishments or whatever they do in America. I'm just pulling it at this point. Can you not pull it like back like this? Oh, you can't. Dang it. Okay, Rock. It's been nice knowing you, but goodbye.